One day, a wolf experienced great difficulty in getting at the sheep owing to the vigilance of the shepherd and his loyal dogs. But in the morning, it found the skin of a sheep that had been flayed and thrown aside. So it put it on over its own pelt and walked down among the sheep. The lamb that owned the sheep whose skin wore by the wolf began to follow the wolf in the sheep's clothing. So, leading the lamb apart, he soon made a meal of her. And not long after this, he succeeded in deceiving the sheep and eating hearty meals. So guys, we must be careful in making a friend because our appearance can be deceptive.